So many parts of Chennai remains waterlogged following 21 centimeters of rain through the night till about 8:30 this morning. Water has entered several homes in low-lying areas and water also being discharged from two reservoirs. My department has forecasted a heavy to very heavy rain forecast for tomorrow as well. And Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has reviewed the situation. He visited the rain-hit areas and also ordered relief and to the affected areas. NDRF, police and fire service personnel a part of the rescue work. 160 relief centers are ready in Chennai. 44 have been activated.
Chennai has come under a sheet of water following 21 centimeters of rain all through the night till 8:30 this morning. Several areas remain waterlogged, inundated. We come to you from the T Nagar area, where this entire stretch on all four sides of me, around me, are completely waterlogged. Water has entered some homes here. In fact, there are several low-lying areas where we couldn't reach at the moment, where people say water has entered their homes. In fact, all the lakes around Chennai remain full. As we speak, water has been is being discharged from the Pundi lake, and around 1:30 authorities say they would also start discharge at the Chembarambakam lake. In fact, as we speak, M.K. Stalin, the Chief Minister, is on the ground reviewing situation at least at 14 different spots, including his own constituency, the Kolattur constituency. The Met Office has said the peak would be around 11 o'clock this morning, after which there will be less rain. But for tomorrow, they've given a forecast of heavy to very heavy rainfall, and that's the big worry. In 2015, Chennai received more than 25 centimeters of rain around this time, which had led to those massive floods in which around 4 lakh homes got inundated. So this brings back memories of that situation. But the government says they have cleared all the stormwater drains, and whenever there is a window of relief, water will quickly start receding. The Chennai Corporation Commissioner, Mr. Gagandeep Singh Bedi, has said the corporation has deployed more than 500 water pumps in different areas to pump out the water. In fact, there is one pump being installed here. The tubes have been set up. Authorities are yet to pump it out, but that's the arrangement being made. And people, particularly living in low-lying areas like Maripakam, Anna Nagar, they complain of large-scale inundation. In several areas, vehicles have been partially submerged and water also has entered homes. At T Nagar in Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find the TV.